ऑफर কিছু কথা চলছে
কি বেশ ইথানল Take that. Here it is. Here it is. Now use that. Use that or it will be evaporated. It will be evaporated. It's working or not? It's working or not? It's working or not?
My God.
Okay. See. Give me the experiment.
Yeah, I will just hear it off.
No, don't need to do that. Okay, so see. That is the marks of the highlighter. And with the help of the alcohol, we are not able to remove it very easily. We have to use another component, that is what? Acid. We have to change the medium to acidic, isn't it? So if we use some amount of even it will also drop.
कलर देखाচ্ছো
Rakesh sir will come and say, and that will ask you, what is going on here? How? Is that your chemistry class? Is that how you are controlling your students?
no he won't ask something like that
See. It is vinegar. So when I am doing that, when I am mixing some amount of this one, see, some more vinegar. See,
yes
sir, it
can also erase the pen
it is also changing the medium. So it is also organic dye. What is the highlighter?
basic.
It's not basic or acidic, but I am saying the dye, organic dye, the ink that is being used there. It is an organic dye. It also works as a highlighter or something like that. Okay, it's an organic dye. There will be so many types of organic dye, and now it is violet color. So we can change like this way. So see, all the phenomena, all the incidents are related with
Chemistry.
and chemistry and science. So that's why I used to say that the world of chemistry
Is huge.
is definitely
Huge and
also
beautiful.
interesting, also difficult, also mind blowing, also
amazing exciting
amazing,
Exciting.
exciting,
Thrilling.
interesting,
thrilling
motivational or demotivational.
Motivation.
motivational
Demotivational. It will definitely motivate you to know more. Because how much you will read, more you will come to know about the phenomenon that is happening around us. That is happening around us. So that's why I used to say that science subject is not made to get marks only in the exam, but it is made to get the proper knowledge about the incidents.
How much we learn.
How much we learn, we can improve our lifestyle. Science is made to improve our lifestyle. Science is made to
improve our lifestyle
our lifestyle. What we should take, what amount of food we should consume, how we should consume, is it?
Balanced diet.
Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Everything is related with science. Either it is biology, either it is chemistry or physics, but related with science. So both of these three things of this subject will definitely help us to bring improvement in our life. Okay. You are getting bored? No. Should be bored.
should we be bored
You could be. It totally
You
up
want
to
us
you.
to
Totally
be bored?
different thing, no?
if you want us to the bore then we can be bored but if we but you are there teaching some amazing things how can we be bored
Okay. Now tell me, what do you want to see more? Or what are you expecting? What are you expecting more from me?
Can we use
But
that?
the orange. Can we use that?
This one,
No, the orange.
orange.
No, we said pink.
That one.
What is the impact? No, it's panel red. It is also indicator. It is also peach indicator. Not peach indicator, but kind of indicator. Panel red. We use that.
What does this in? No. This green.
Which one?
This one. What?
Or green sir.
Green, sir.
Green cubes.
Green. Green tubes.
Yes, these two.
What
There
are
is so many
they?
products like it is sodium carbonate. It is sodium carbonate. Sulfur.
Reactive.
Sodium sulfate.
It is sulfur is kept in fridge.
Gene granules. Gene granules.
Real.
One day we will make hydrogen gas, okay? We will make hydrogen gas. I don't need to do that. Don't need to do that. It says getting annoying. It says getting,
It is zinc or aluminum.
Zinc.
Hey.
Chink.
Zinc is also not that much rare. No need to be worried about that.
What is this 29?
29. Maybe the
29 the atomic number and atomic.
No.
Yes, atomic number. Yes, I think.
the numbers of products they have given. That is the 23 numbers.
You also have gold granules.
I also have
Gold granules in that.
whole granules.
No, zinc is 30 now. Yes.
That is number is 30. That is number is 30.
Yes, 30. I have also remembered.
So that indicator, what color does it turn?
What color is this?
That phenol section.
Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Aluminum foil. Natural reagent.
That indicator.
Potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. KMnO4. It will make your finger bluish or violet.
Why?
So be careful.
It
Potassium
can be
permanganate.
washed.
It can be washed.
So you can use.
And we will do some experiment with potassium permanganate because that activity is included in your syllabus.
Potassium
Ah.
permanganate.
We will take some amount of water in different glasses. In different glasses, and we will add some amount of potassium potassium permanganate, and then we will take some amount of solutions and will mix that in another glass. Crystal form of potassium permanganate. Okay, we will do that.
It is also available in like means tube form.
That is the original form. Powder form.
So why will it turn our focus blue?
It is not turned. Little bit.
That is the original.
It is
color.
not turning it.
Potassium permanganate, it is not turning.
It is not turning blue.
It is not turning.
It is not turning blue.
You are colorblind.
Eh?
Color. It is violet.
Just a little.
Like phenolphthalein it is.
Not phenolphthalein.
Light. It's like magenta color.
Potassium permanganate.
Magenta. It's magenta.
Just I use a little amount of
It's
potassium.
magenta. It's magenta.
See, just I use little amount of potassium permanganate. It's turning.
So it's like white.
Why?
দেখাচ্ছি তো আমি
That's why I cannot say. I really cannot say.
White color.
Its color is now.
Same is a white color.
Because of the media, that was not neutral. There were so many things before. There were so many things.
Yes, it was.
Why did it suddenly change?
Because of the media.
It is. They say it is anyways.
Oh, you are.
Everything was there.
Reflects
So they are dealing actually with each other and making different kind of things.
It will not burst.
No, it will never do this. Do I have anything else to show you? This one.
This one. Not torch. It is torch.
Lighter,
Torch flame. Torch.
भाई lighter.
It is torch flame.
Like you have something inside that glass. You have to ignite that. How you will do that? Because lighter will not be there. Lighter cannot be there. So easy, isn't? Easy, very easy. So that's why different types of lighter for different works, for different things. So what is this? What this is?
Welding.
Huh? Welding. Welding machine.
No, it is used for connecting. It is used for connecting
Sir,
the
can you-
wires in a circuit.
Sir, can you give that for a moment? Sir.
Arey, huh?
Water heater.
Huh?
It's not water heater. It's kind of heater.
Sir, can you give
Sir,
give
it
that
is,
for a moment?
like welding, no? Means in a circuit, the
It will
wire.
melt. You
Yeah.
turn on Hey, don't take it there and don't touch it actually. It's not.
Zoom ho gaya na, no?
See. If you turn on the switch,
One
that
wire is
that
available.
process will be heated up.
One wire is also available, which helps us to means weld.
Like there is a wire where we have to melt it.
It is very high, means low melting point a little bit. The
Which
wire,
one?
the wire which is used.
The wire. No, it could be. So that process will be heated up, will be warm, and then we can, if it is a metal, we can melt it, and we can get another wire and we'll make a bond in between them. So for that reason,
For connecting the wires between
even
them.
I can do that.
I have used it.
It will be used to, doing some holes. There. As it will be warm, it will definitely easy for us to hole. Okay. It was naphthalene. Naphthalene was also been demonstrated by me, but I think you missed that.
Yes, you will demonstrate that.
That day,
Naphthalene.
the first day.
Naphthalene.
Naphthalene, yes. The naphthalene will be go to the top of the solution and will come back to the bottom side.
Huh?
We'll go to the top of the solution. If we put some balls of naphthalene in that water or in that solution, then first time they will be in the bottom positions of the glass. And after adding something, some naphthalene, some pieces of naphthalene will be go upward direction and will come back to the down. They will go upward and down, upward and down repeatedly. I have already done that now. With this.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying to all of my students, please.
Sir, you didn't record that, so do it now.
Not today. Smita. Hello. Let's do that. I cannot ignore your wish.
Do you need water?
Definitely.
Take care of the job.
Another name of water is life, isn't it? So there will be nothing without water. I need some water. I need some. Give me some water. Give me some amount of water.
No water, only spread.
Did you add the vinegar? Did you add the vinegar?
So nothing is happening here. How many states of matter are there?
So can you keep it?
Mainly 3 but 5.
See what? See what?
Mainly
Five and-
three.
Mainly three we can observe, but there are so many states of matter.
22.
I said that 22. Kind of 22 states of matter. Fermi and condensate or something like that, but we don't need to know more about these things. Okay. So there are two states of matter. One is liquid,
Solid.
which is water, and another one is solid.
Solid.
That is
Yes.
absolute. And now we will create another state of matter.
Yes.
Which one is?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So how we can do that?
By
Which is same it, and you already know about that.
Yes. You added some particles of salt.
We added some particles of salt.
Added.
Salt.
Keep booty.
But I don't have any salt.
Any salt?
It was not salt.
Baking soda.
It was
Yes,
soda.
yes, baking
It
soda.
was soda. So I need to add some soda.
Soda.
Okay?
Yes. So can I zoom into camera?
You can zoom, but be careful. Okay? So now what we have added inside the solutions? What we have added
Okay.
inside the solution? In the solutions, there is baking soda and there is water.
Water.
And naphthalene. Is something happening? Can you analyze? Can you observe? Is something happening? Nothing is happening. Is anything happening?
No.
Nothing is happening.
No.
So now when I will add some
Vinegar.
See
Vinegar.
how much it is impactful. Vinegar. Everywhere I am using vinegar. So it's working as a SC. No?
Citric acid.
We, like in lockdown, we used to do experiments with vinegar.
Now see.
Another one.
Look properly.
Another one. It will float. It
I
will
don't
float.
know.
You believe.
I
You
don't
believe
know
in
what is
chemistry.
going to be happen.
What happened? One. Acha. No. It is looking like carbonated water.
Fizzy water, carbonated water, soft water. See, it came to its original position, that is the bottom. And it is getting ready.
Is the temperature of the water change? I think. No, nothing. Temperature changes.
Are getting ready to take off. Buckle off. We are going to take off. Like this.
Three states of matter in one place.
Huh?
Three states of matter in one place.
Me, another
Three states of matter at one place. Definitely.
अरे मतलब ठीक है मत दे
It's okay. So the naphthalene will go top of the place or top of the glass and will come back again repeatedly
how many times
until the reaction is not completed.
I think
The reaction is completed. Like this, you see?
Yes, one's floating.
one is only another is not
No, it was the previous one. That is another one. There is two naphthalene bonds. Previously it was the first one.
means it take a little bit time to flow
I need larger amount of solution. It would be better if I could do that in a large volumetric glass or something.
50 ml
I have to add more acid, more.
so what happens
What is happening here?
baking soda reacts with water
Not water. Vinegar. And what is the chemical formula of vinegar?
CH3 double
CH3 CH3COOH and sodium bicarbonate. Soda is named as sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. And it's making CH3COOH. It is sodium acetate. And also producing CO2 and also producing H2O. These three byproducts. Sodium acetate, which is salt, carbon dioxide, which is gas, and also the water. So what is happening here? Actually, carbon dioxide is producing inside the solution, and carbon dioxide is going to the upward directions as it is lighter than the solution, isn't it? then the H2 molecules. So exactly what is going on? The CO2 gases are coming to the contact of the naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls. So here it was the naphthalene balls. Now CO2 is getting touched by the contact of this one. So it's increasing the volume of the naphthalene balls. So if the volume of the naphthalene balls will be increased, the density will be
increased.
We know that D is equals to M by V.
Yes.
If the volume increase, the density will be
Increased.
decreased.
Decreased.
The density will be
Decreased.
because it is in the reversible. D varies 1 by V. Inverse. So volume is increasing, density will be decreasing. So if density is decreasing, it's getting lighter. It's getting lighter, is it? Is it or not?
Yes.
See me. Getting my point or not?
Yes.
It's getting lighter. So when it is getting lighter, it is going to the upward direction. And now when it is going to the top of the glass, at that moment the carbon dioxide bubbles are bursting. The carbon dioxide bubbles are popping up. So it's
And the
getting
naphthalene reaches its original density.
original density or original volume. So
And
now
then
it's
comes
getting
back.
heavier and going to the downward direction.
Yes.
And it's still here, reaching here, it is getting another carbon dioxide bubbles and happening the same things repeatedly. So that is the reason, sir. So there is 3 states of matter at the same place, which is liquid, another one is solid, another one is gas. That is also could be a very good example of 3 states of matter. So
I have said, sir, like there is a sword-like structure in plastic, and if when we hit the bottom of the sword, it became hard.
it become.
Hard.
I didn't actually get your point. Can you just repeat it again?
It's like it is a plastic-like structure.
Plastic-like structure. Which
It's
one?
made up of plastic.
Made of plastic. Which one?
Toy, which has a means let's consider that stick.
Tray.
Stick.
Stick made up of plastic. Okay.
Okay. So if when we will hit the bottom of the stick,
Will get the bottom of heat. Oh, heat.
after
Okay.
some time it will become hard.
It will become hard. Let's do that then. Let's do that then.
What?
Let's see.
I did not get a single thing.
Argo is saying, so definitely that will take you to the Argo. I'm going to hit and then we'll analyze or observe what's going to happen. Let's see.
What
So
did
what-
you say? I did not understand.
Even I am not getting this point. What do you mean to
That's
say?
the Bangla ball, na? The Bangla ball. English ball. মাঝখানে বলে তুমি আর
Like sir, this is a sword. Okay.
Sword.
Sword, okay.
Sword.
It is like a plastic.
Plastic made up of plastic.
Plastic means like polythene-like structure. And if we will hit this part
Heat. Okay.
hard,
Hard.
then it will
It
become
means you're talking about the temperature or you're talking about beating someone.
Heat.
Heating.
Or
Oh,
Bangla
heat.
heater.
Not H-E-A-T. H-E-A-T.
HIT.
Oh, H-I-T. Not H-E-A-T.
I was
Oh,
talking
okay. Now.
Then I came to know that in this part baking soda is kept.
Baking soda is there.
Soda. And it reacts with vinegar and it creates CO2.
I am still not getting any logic, anything actually. You were hitting with you were hitting someone and you are getting soda and you are getting vinegar.
Is that person wearing vinegar? Perfume.
I am really totally unaware about it. I don't have any knowledge. I don't have any knowledge.
In next class I will show you.
Okay. You'll bring that stick with you. Okay? When you hit someone, most probably you will choose this Smita. Most probably.
Most probably.